Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. We put our little popsicle sticks in. Margarita Popsicles. Beautiful. So we start off with some tequila. Come behind it with some orange juice. Keep the orange juice going. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice. Beautiful. Okay? Beautiful. And then we followed it up with some agave syrup. It says a nectar, but it's really a syrup. Okay? And then we add in a pinch of salt because what doesn't salt make taste better? Stir, stir, stir. Pour it in our little cups. Beautiful. Now we can grab out some popsicle sticks, slide it through lime slices, and then you put that in the freezer. And as they freeze, you break them out. Bango! I taste some bingo. Beautiful, delicious, fun, easy. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.